everyone, Pinay Nas Kaylee here. Today is Easter Sunday and we go to this church 6 o'clock in the morning. And then pagbalik natin dito, weather is very hot. I hope you are in good condition. Mostly yung ganitong mainit ay nagkakasakit yung mga tao. But keep safe everyone and happy Lenten week sa inyong lahat. Yan, magma-Monday na naman and time is very fast. So, ito lang, i-share ko yung mga ginawa ko kahit nandito tayo sa bahay at kahit na mainit. While we are sitting and doing something at nag-iisip-isip tayo, ayan, gumagawa tayo ng ganito. So, this is the garnet and then citrine. Wala pa siyang dangling guys, but it will be fixed later on. Ito si, yan, turquoise. Yan. Tapos phoenix natin, ito pinaganda natin at dinagdagan natin ng wide at saka beads. I hope you like it!